Top 5 mountain destinations you must visit in northern Vietnam. Are you ready to go beyond beaches and cities? Let us take you to where Vietnam's true magic lies, the breathtaking mountains of the north. The region is characterized by dramatic landscapes, with towering peaks, lush valleys, and terraced rice fields that stretch as far as the eye can see. Beyond the scenery, vibrant local cultures thrive, each with their own traditions, festivals, and cuisine. Travelers venturing here are rewarded with experiences that go far beyond the typical tourist routes, discovering hidden villages and forging connections with welcoming communities. Below are 5 must-visit mountain destinations for your next adventure. Number 1. Sapa, a summer retreat established by the French. Sapa is celebrated for its breathtaking terraced rice fields, which create a stunning landscape across the hills. The region offers excellent trekking opportunities, allowing visitors to explore scenic trails and immerse themselves in nature. Phan Xipang Peak, known as the Roof of Indochina, stands as the highest mountain in Vietnam and attracts adventurers seeking a challenging climb. Local villages and bustling markets provide authentic experiences where travelers can interact with ethnic communities and discover traditional crafts and cuisine. Together, these elements make Sapa a unique destination for those seeking both natural beauty and cultural richness. Number 2. Ha Giang, northern Vietnam's hidden gem. Ha Giang is a hidden gem in northeast mountain Vietnam, renowned for its breathtaking landscapes and unspoiled beauty. The Ma Pi Leng Pass offers dramatic mountain views, winding along steep cliffs that strongly impress visitors. Flowing beneath the pass, the emerald waters of No Quay River carve a striking path through deep gorges. The Dong Van Karst Plateau Geopark, recognized by UNESCO, showcases unique limestone formations and a rich tapestry of ethnic cultures. Together, these wonders make Ha Giang a truly remarkable destination for those seeking adventure and natural beauty. Number 3. Ba Bi National Park and Lake, preserving pristine nature for millennia. Ba Bi National Park offers a peaceful escape into nature, surrounded by dense jungles and dramatic landscapes. The park is home to mysterious caves and cascading waterfalls, each adding to its unique charm. At the heart of the park lies Ba Bi Lake, a serene body of water that reflects the beauty of its surroundings. This destination is ideal for nature enthusiasts seeking tranquility and a chance to explore the wonders of the natural world. Number 4. Mai Chau Valley, tranquil escape from Hanoi's bustling pace. Mai Chau is a tranquil valley nestled in the mountains, just 3.5-hour drive from Hanoi, offering an ideal setting for biking adventures and authentic homestay experiences. Visitors have the unique opportunity to immerse themselves in the daily life and traditions of the White Thai ethnic group. The region is known for its lush rice fields, stilt houses, and warm hospitality. Exploring Mai Chau allows travelers to connect with local culture while enjoying the serene beauty of the Vietnamese countryside. Number 5. Cao Bang, the ultimate off-the-beaten-track trekking destination. Nestled in northeast mountain Vietnam, Cao Bang offers a unique escape for travelers seeking untouched landscapes. The region is renowned for the majestic Ban Gioc Waterfall, one of the most impressive natural wonders in the country. Beyond the waterfall, visitors can explore lush forests, winding rivers, and tranquil villages that showcase the area's pristine beauty. Cao Bang remains relatively undiscovered, making it an ideal destination for those looking to experience nature away from the crowds. Practical travel tips and advice for northern mountain Vietnam. The best time to visit is from November to April, when the weather is cool, dry, and perfect for trekking and sightseeing. Pack smart. Bring light but warm layers, sturdy shoes, and a rain jacket, as mountain weather can change quickly. Respect local cultures by dressing modestly and greeting villagers warmly. small gestures go a long way. For remote destinations, joining a guided tour is highly recommended. You'll gain deeper local insights and discover hidden trekking routes you might otherwise miss. Northern Mountain Vietnam isn't just a trip. It's a journey into culture, nature, and true connection. We hope this local insight helps you plan an unforgettable adventure in Vietnam. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more authentic travel tips from local experts. Ready to explore? Plan your dream mountain adventure with Golden Holiday Travel today. Let our team craft your perfect itinerary and uncover Vietnam's most breathtaking hidden gems.